Hello, hello, welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I am Kimmy, one of the educators over at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Check us out for all of your training needs, okay? We teach notaries in all 50 states how to notarize and build businesses like a pro, okay? So today's video, though, is all about, should you have paper or digital business cards? Which ones? Because a lot of times people are torn. I get this question all the time. Kimmy, do you have a digital business card? And I have started the process. I am using Hi Hello is what I've downloaded based on all what my peers have told me in different training sessions that we've had. And I started it, but I still haven't completed it. So I am of the viewpoint that you should always have some paper business cards. So let's talk about why, though, for real. Sometimes people we're going to talk about the pros and cons of both, actually, so quickly. So sometimes people like to have an old-fashioned paper business card. It exudes classicness, like a classiness. It's tangible. People can touch it. And when you go and hand someone your card, your back kind of goes up and they feel like you're the professional. So it's just old-fashioned 101, have a paper business card, okay? You do need to know your target audience also. When I say that, why? Because a lot of times you have older people, older clients, they don't have access to all this digital stuff that we do. You'd be like, can I just send you this or text you this? They like, do what? So have paper for your older clients. When you go to nursing homes, hospitals, your realtors, they want sometimes a stack because they will put them with their, business cards because they had now cards all day long. So I'm not opposed to having digital, but you always want to make sure that you have something for your older clients. I'm very, 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 very partial to making sure our older clients are not forgotten, okay? And on your business card, I'll give you a few tips at the end what you should have on your card. So let's get into the digital space. So you have your younger people, they pop in and they know what's hip and what's not. Go ahead, I don't even know what the term is, but just shoot it over to me. Let's just say that. So you standing next to them and you could just, do some kind of Vulcan mind melt and send your card to their phone and vice versa. They can send it. So some people like that. So again, you want to have availability for everyone. Everyone should feel inclusive. So if you're going to have digital, have some paper. If you're going to have paper, have some digital. So that's about the crux of it. It just depends on what your client likes. But I am still of the mindset you must have an old-fashioned business card, okay? And let's talk about some things you want to put on the business card. So you want to make sure it's eye-catching. I always say, does all of your marketing, does it look like a dry piece of toast? Or does it look like an edible arrangement? Okay? Only time you want a dry piece of toast is when you say, that's the only time you want a dry piece of toast. Other than that, you want something beautiful and bright, right? Makes you feel good, right? So think about your business card. Make sure it has your basic contact information. Name, phone number, email, website. List your services. A beautiful picture. Okay? With a smile. Alright? So those are just a few tips I had about business cards. And again, if you want digital or business, paper business cards, it's completely up to you. You get the right to choose. It's your business. But always, always, always think about your clients, okay? Whatever decisions you make, they come first. So in your preference, it might be like, I don't feel like carrying them cards around. This is one more thing. They could just take a picture of it. No. Think about everybody. And I will say this too really quick because it came to my mind as I was saying that. Zelle now has a QR reader, in case you didn't know. I did a whole video on this. About accepting payments and staying with technology or something like that. But anyway, so one of my clients, he wanted to show me how it worked. And I was like, I just got an email about that too the day before from Zelle, that now there's a QR reader for your Zelle. You can just show your clients, they can just scan it. So when my client gets here to me, he's like, and I'm telling him, he's telling me he's taking Zelle or whatever. And I'm looking for my phone number for Zelle. He was like, oh no, it's a QR reader. And I was like, oh yeah, I just got an email about that. I haven't checked it out yet. And he was like, yeah, we're going to do it right now, basically. So he gonna tell me what we gonna do. So he did. He waited. I said, okay, well, if you got a second to show me how to do it, okay, there's no problem. Because like I said, I knew it was existing, so I didn't think it was a scam or he was frauding me or something like that. So anyway, he had a moment. He showed me how to do it. I downloaded it, and now I take Zelle and I use my QR code. I always took Zelle, accepted it, but now I use the QR reader. And now the person, they just take my phone and then my money is right there in my account. So you have to be open to technology. That's why I keep saying I'm not anti-digital business cards or digital anything. That's another one I get questions on too. I'll go ahead and cover it really quick. I don't think it deserves a whole video. But a QR reader, why do you need a QR reader? I had that question forever. I'm like, why do I need that? But there are people who like to use QR readers. Your QR reader will have all of your information already attached to it, similar to the digital business card. People put QR readers on their car magnets. They put them on their website. They put them everywhere, the little QR reader, which contains all of your information. So anything you can do to generate business, I'm all for it. So again, that's just something else you may want to consider, is adding a QR reader to your card. And I will say this, if you're going to add it to your paper business card, make it kind of small so it doesn't take up the whole card, because again, you need your older clientele to be able to read at a glance your name and all your crucial demographics, okay? Or your crucial business details. Better way to say that. You need them to look at your name. You need them at a glance to see, okay, where is she located? What's her phone number? What's the email? What's her website? If the QR reader is so big and then everything is kind of crammed in there, that's going to make it a little complicated for your client, okay? So until next time, guys, that's all I got on business cards, and I am Kimmy. Okay, take care. See you later. Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.